Hello friends, I'm Miss Gina with St. Mary's County Library. It's a busy season here at the library and also in our lives, so I have created a craft kit for you and your child this season called our Calm Kits for Mindful Kids. So stick around for amazing crafts to promote relaxation and mindfulness for you and your child. Let's make a craft based on my favorite book about peace, Peace Train by Cat Stevens and Peter Reynolds. Cut, glue, and arrange the provided colored pieces of paper to create your peace train. Think about what brings you peace in your life. For inspiration, you can check out Peace Train the book for ideas about what sharing peace looks like. Peace Train was originally a song written by musician Cat Stevens in 1971, envisioning a world where peace is shared by all. You can decorate your peace train with what makes you feel peaceful and what you would like to share with others. And now you have your very own peace train to show your friends and family. All aboard! Let's make a DIY squish away stress ball. You'll need a water bottle filled with flour and 3 balloons. Blow up a balloon and twist the stem to trap all of the air in. Now we're going to attach the stem to the opening of the water bottle. Now tip the contents of the bottle into your balloon slowly. Be careful, it might get messy. After you've slowly let all of the air deflate out of the balloon, let's tie a knot to make sure all of that flour stays in there and not on the floor. Now take your second balloon, go ahead and cut off the top of that balloon, and stretch it out so that we can stretch it over the top of the filled balloon, just like a swim cap. Now take your final balloon and repeat the previous step to fully encase your DIY Squish Away stress ball. Draw a happy face on your Squish Away stress ball and remind yourself that happiness is just a squish away. Great job! One of the ways I practice mindfulness in my life is by using all 5 of my senses. So let's go on a scavenger hunt and find all 5 senses. Looking around for something that I could taste was very easy and very good. Now I want to find something that I can hear, and that was easy too. I also need something that I can smell. Book smell is my favorite smell. What's hiding behind this book? Something I can see? Don't mind if I do. I found something I can touch. I hope it fits in the bag. Well, maybe next time. Breathing in and out is a great way to restore mindfulness and calm. You can blow bubbles, and it'll achieve the exact same effect. Though some days you might need to take an even bigger breath. And that's okay. Mindfulness is a process. Our final activity is a mindfulness mandala with affirmations to color. Take a moment to color these affirmations and remind yourself that you are the wonderful, mindful person that you are. Whenever life's moments are too much, repeat these affirmations to yourself to remind yourself that you can overcome anything. We hope you'll enjoy the activities in your Calm Kits to share with your mindful kid. Make it a mindful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!